Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. And as you know, we are all about life and godliness. We deal with everything that pertains to life and godliness. So today we're going to be talking a little about metabolic syndromes and not everything. I want to introduce two nutrients that are very good for your metabolism. If you have been through my workshop, you know we are always on that area because that is what contributes to most of these diseases that we know these days, like high blood pressure, diabetes, and most cardiovascular diseases and everything. It's all connected to your metabolism. So there are some nutrients that has been found to be very effective in that area, in those areas, and I want to introduce two to you. All right, so the nutrient I'm talking about is the first one is magnesium and berberine. Okay, so we're talking about magnesium. If you have done your research, you could have found out that magnesium is a very powerful mineral that does so much things in the body. The reason why these supplements are here, is to help in the absorption of this nutrient. Okay, so magnesium alone does not really readily absorb. They usually combine it with another compound like glycine. That's why this one is magnesium glycinate. We found that it absorbs very well with this glycine is a protein. So when it gets combined with magnesium, it gets absorbed in the body at a faster rate. All right. Magnesium, when you combine it with those diets that we give you, if you have been to our workshops, magnesium and the diets that we're giving you, after a while, you find that the effect is outstanding. It may not happen immediately, like we usually say. It takes time. These supplements I'm talking about are not magic drugs that you can take and everything will go like that. No, the effect that they have is seen over time. Okay, we always tell you in our workshops that every metabolic syndrome, things about metabolism, it's not like curing malaria or curing typhoid fever. Those malaria and typhoid fever are external. The cause are external. You may have no control over them, like they are caused by organisms, and you kill those organisms and the sickness stops. But metabolic processes is caused by your lifestyle. Metabolic syndromes, metabolic conditions are caused by your lifestyle, what you have been doing since you were born till date. Okay, so it will take time for it to be reversed. And those of you that have diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular issues, it's time. If you follow our plan, our strategy, and you add these supplements to it, you will start seeing results over time. So with our strategies, our diet, and these supplements, magnesium will help to lower your blood pressure, reduce the risk of stroke, cardiovascular diseases, and type 2 diabetes, improve bone health, prevent migraine headaches. You can get magnesium in plants, in green leafy vegetables, basically, but you have to consume huge amount of vegetables to be able to get to your daily requirement, to your daily need of magnesium. Like kale, imagine consuming 50 cups of kale just for one serving of magnesium. How many people can do that? So, and this may be due to the fact that so many pesticides and so many fertilizers have been used on these plants, and that magnesium is not really absorbed by the plants from the soil anymore. So you can find it in little quantities, and it affects other trace minerals too, not just magnesium, even potassium and the rest of them. So that's why we rely so much on supplements now to get our optimal health needs solved. All right. So Magnesium glycinate, like I said, is when it's combined with the protein glycine, it's readily absorbed. It's absorbed faster in the body than ordinary magnesium. And when you take magnesium glycinate, it has been shown to have various benefits, including helping to relieve anxiety. For those of you that are always anxious, maybe your anxiety doesn't make you to sleep well and everything. What it does, it relaxes your muscles and your nerves. Okay, and it enhances sleep. I'm a testimony to that. Since I've been taking it, my sleep levels, have been improved. I used to have these issues and everything, but since I've started taking magnesium glycinate, they have all reduced. Magnesium glycinate is not a sleeping tablet. It does not knock you off to sleep. Over time, it will help you adjust your body and you start sleeping well. You sleep fast and you sleep deep. But it's over time. You may start seeing the result after 1 week of taking it. We don't believe in magic or instantaneous stuff. It's over time, because lifestyle is about time. It also promotes bone health for the people that have problem with their bones and everything. It manages blood sugar in people with diabetes and may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So people that have insulin resistance, people that have diabetes, they need magnesium glycinate in their diet. It maintains regular heart rhythms. It has been reported that those that have heart palpitations and the other one, I don't know how to pronounce that one. So the next one we're going to talk about is Berberine. Some of you may have heard about it, some of you have not, but it's becoming very popular these days, especially for those that have diabetes. It's all about metabolic health. Berberine is a chemical found in some plants like European barberry, goldenseal, goldthread, Oregon grape, phellodendron, and tree turmeric. It's a bitter tasting and yellow colored chemical, and there's research that it might help to strengthen the heartbeat, which could benefit people with certain heart conditions. It might also kill bacteria. Those that have gut bacteria, they have excess growth of bacteria in their stomach that interferes with digestion. Berberine have been known to clear those bacteria and promote a healthy gut microbes or something. Yeah, Berberine has been known to promote a healthy gut, stomach. Those that usually have diarrhea and other stuff. It helps regulate how the body uses sugar in the blood and help reduce swelling. People most commonly use berberine for diabetes, high levels of cholesterol or other fats in the blood, and high blood pressure. So I may not be able to go into the mechanisms on what it actually does in the body. The researches are there. You can Google them online. Just want to tell you the immediate benefits of all this thing. Right. So there are different kinds of berberine supplements available in the market. There is one that has HCl, berberine HCl. I heard that it's very effective, but some people they don't find it. Some people don't have it. Has some side effects for some people. But this one, I've been using this one, Berberine Met-X, and so far so good. It does very well. Since I've started using it, I've noticed that my insulin has been sensitized. I have my insulin is now more sensitive than ever, and all my tummy issues have been solved. I used to have running stomach almost every time, consistent running stomachs and everything. But for the past 2 weeks, everything has been okay, more than okay. It's much more. This particular berberine Met-X features a clinically studied dose of actual berberine, not berberine HCl, just the actual berberine, the extracted berberine. And it has been said that it absorbs very well in the body. Okay, and it deals with not only sugar, not only insulin resistance, not only sugar absorption, but almost every range of benefits it can deal with. They will not be able to talk about everything it does here, but at least it supports healthy cholesterol for those that don't have issue with cholesterol, and then all these healthy triglyceride levels. Additional benefits of Medtex: it supports cognitive health, brain function, and cellular, cardiovascular, and liver health. All these are the things that this does. Okay, not just the sugar aspect, it does other things too. Like I said, I started taking it, I've been feeling very good. For the past 2 weeks, I've been feeling very good. There are some issues you need to understand about berberine. And one of the first issue is berberine can interact with medications. Do not take it with cyclosporine. There are other medications, especially all these certain drugs. So you have to be careful. I don't recommend this for those that are into drug medication. I don't recommend this to those that are into heavy medication or any medication at all, because it may interfere with the one that you're using. So you have to really talk with your doctor, your healthcare professional. If you have any medical condition and you are taking medical medications and everything, speak to them before you take this, so you don't start having reactions with anything. All right. And those that are taking drugs for diabetes, you need to talk with your doctor first, so to know whether you're allowed to take this one or to stop this one, the one you're taking, and start taking this one, or to take 2 of them at once. Believe the doctors are aware of berberine, so they will advise you accordingly. It's for those that are not taking anything that I recommend this for. Those are just eating normal food and are following our strategy and our diet. The next one is the side effects. Side effects are not much with this. I've not seen any side effect since I started taking this one. I've not seen any side effect. This one it absorbs very well, like I said. But some other people that take berberine HCl and other ones used to complain about side effects, like they have been reported diarrhea. If you take more than 1.5 mg, it may cause you to have diarrhea. There are some people who even take less and they still have diarrhea. That's one of the side effects. Then constipation. That one, why that constipation happens is when it kills all those bacteria that makes your stool watery. You start having constipation. So to deal with that constipation issue, you need to increase the amount of vegetables you take. Because that vegetables you take will balance off every constipation that will arise by taking this. Okay. Then increase your fiber foods. Eat more fiber foods, especially vegetables, so that it will balance off any constipation that may arise from this, because this deals with your metabolism. It works with your metabolism, your liver, your pancreas, your guts, your stomach, everything. Okay. So, all right. I want to encourage you in this journey. It is the will of God for us to be in great health. God wants us to be in health. It is not His will for us to be sick in any way. Or get to know it that it is not the will of God for you to be sick. And God has provided so many ways for you to live in health. You can get healed directly from your sickness. Healing belongs to you. Then you can maintain your health by living a healthy lifestyle, living a common sense health, using your common sense in the areas of health. Don't be ruled by your mouth, be ruled by your head. Eat what you need, your body needs, not what your mouth wants. And remember, you cannot outsource your health to anybody. It's your responsibility. Your health is your responsibility. Nobody cares about your health but you. So you have to take it seriously. Okay? You have to take it seriously. So I want to encourage you to keep doing what we have taught you. Keep being consistent with our workshop. All the things we have told you to do, keep on doing it. It's a matter of time. Everything will start reversing. And you start seeing results, and you'll be encouraged and keep on doing it. So I want you to pass on this message to everybody that you know. Share this video. Share our link to any way you can share it. I encourage people to subscribe to this channel because more things will be coming up in different areas that will benefit you, that will bless your life. So the more you share it, the more other people are getting blessed, and the more God gets the glory. So take care, have faith, and God bless you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.